Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the Valorant slow downloading speed in your Valorant when you try to update your Valorant game, or when you try to update any of your update in your Valorant. So I will show you guys how you can fix it. Right click on your taskbar and open up your task manager, and first setting is the here you can just close any of the background apps which are running in your background. So there are the many background app. So when run these apps will contain lot of bandwidth into your background. So you need to just right click on that and click on the end task. So there are also the many other application that you are not using. So you can just quit this application from here, and after that just close your task manager. So now you have to just do the second settings. Go to the Windows search and type the ncpa.cpl. Now this setting will appear on the top. Just click on that setting to open it. So now here you will see your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet. Just right click on your Wi-Fi and go to its properties. And now here you have to just look for the Internet Protocol version 4. You will see, just click on that, highlight this, and just click on its properties. And now here you have to just select the use the following DNS addresses, and in the preferred DNS server just type the 8.8 and 88, and in the alternate DNS server just type the 8.8.4.4. So this is the best Google DNS server provided by the Google. Click on the OK to save the changes. And now you can just close it, and I recommend you to restart your PC, and after the restart your problem is 100% fixed. So this will help you to fix your slow downloading speed in your Valorant. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, so please like it, also do subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful day.